Bonjour, I'm Cécile, a French artist, and I specialize in gouache. Gouache is my favorite medium, and I wanted to share with you what I've learned about gouache. So this is the intro video to my free workshop, Your Gouache Sketchbook. During 1 month, I will release a video every other day for a total of 15 videos. And I promise, if you commit to painting each and every tutorial I will show you, then you'll master gouache. No doubt about it. So let me show you what you're going to learn during this month. First lesson will be to master the transparency with gouache, because I know a lot of you are used to watercolor, and sometimes I hear that gouache is an opaque watercolor. Well, it's not exactly that, and I want you to play with the transparency of gouache before going further. Video number 2 will be to mix different consistencies and to begin to layer a bit the gouache and see how the pigments behave one with another. Next, we will work with soft colors, and we will learn how to mix a range of different colors only with the 3 primaries and white, and also how to add details and layer opaque layers of gouache. Then it's time to play with the gradients, and I know it's a question I get a lot: how to make nice gradients. So I have 4 different ways for you to make gradients, and I let you choose the one you prefer. And then it's time to practice what we've been learning in some actual paintings, because exercises can be quite boring. Don't tell. So it will be a sunset, very fiery sky with some cactus. Then it's time to learn how to make colorful shadows without any black, because black is not what you need for shadows. And I will talk about analogous and complementary colors, but briefly. Then let's play with some textures, because you can make a lot of textures with gouache. This is really a very versatile medium, and I want to show you different ways to play with brushes and some other tools. And let's practice again with this bird, and this is a mix of what we've been learning so far: the color theory, the gradients, the texture. And we will be using our leftover on the palette, because I don't know for you, but I really don't want to waste paint. Once the paint is on the palette, I want to use it completely, fully. And this is an idea to use it. And while we're at it, let's make some mixed media with gouache. You can mix a lot of things with gouache, and you can make art journal pages really easily and in no time. So this is a way to do it. Next, let's have fun with some strawberries and also work on some colorful shadows and add a bit of sparkles with a special white. And then it's time to learn how to limit the number of brush strokes. And can you believe this one has only 8 brush strokes? Let's play with some neon colors as a background and let the background shine under the upper layer. Not so easy as it seems. This is why it's at the very end. And last page will be the front page, actually, because now we are able to paint those clouds on a starry night. And this will be the last tutorial. So it makes 14 tutorials, and there will be a bonus 15th video with more ideas so you can fill your gouache sketchbook. So all the details are on my website, which is here. You can go to my website and download the complete supply list for all videos, and all you have to do is gather your supplies and just go for it, because I can talk about it for hours, but the best is that you take your paint and your sketchbook and paint. This is how you will learn gouache. It's not just watching videos, it's actual painting. So go for it. Don't be shy. I'm sure you can do it. This is really easy. And if you follow along with me, you'll be mastering gouache at the end of the month. I promise. Don't forget to tag me on social media. You have the links in the description below the video. And I hope you're as excited as I am about this free workshop. So see you there. Bye bye. Au revoir.